Hi students, this is just a little update on Sofia and the assignment submissions issue that you may be seeing. So if you're going ahead and you're working on an assignment and you have answered all the questions in the assignment and you hit the submit button, what's going to happen is Sofia is it's not going to tell you, hey, I've got all your answers. But in fact, Sofia does have all your work. And you can check by just navigating in between all your questions, checking to make sure you've got all your questions. And then once you've got that, and then you can always check your answers too as you're moving along, right? And that, lets you know what's going on with all your questions. And then you just go ahead and hit submit. So what's going to happen is when you hit submit, if you didn't answer all the questions, Sofia would say, hey, you didn't answer all the questions. But if you actually do answer all the questions, Sofia won't say anything. And that's a little something we're working on fixing, just so you know. But what you're going to see next might be a little bit scary. It's your browser saying, leave site, changes you made may not be saved. Well, actually, your changes have been saved. And again, you can verify that by hitting check answer on each question or just going back over each of your questions and ensuring that you actually have an answer for the questions that you wanted to answer. We have this here to prevent you from hitting the back button or escaping the assignment at any point in time where you haven't clicked either submit or save and close so that your work is always saved. So don't worry, your work is always saved as long as you hit the submit button or the save and close button. So now we can click leave on our assignment. And actually what I'll do is I'll click cancel. And you'll see if we click on cancel, the assignment's still here. And if I click submit, nothing's going to happen. That's because once you've hit that submit button the first time, that assignment is submitted for that attempt on the assignment. So the only way that we're going to be able to see the score is we're going to have to leave the page. So obviously I want to check my grades. It asks me if I want to leave. I'll hit leave, and then my assignment's going to be in my grades. Let's look that one up, answer palette 2. And there we have it, answer palette 2. So just so you know, whenever you answer all the questions and hit submit, just go ahead and check if you actually have an answer there, or you can check your answer, hit submit. It'll tell you you may lose your work, but it's okay. Sofia is not going to let you leave without your work being saved unless as long as you've hit the submit button or the save and close button if you want to come back to that assignment. And those are the only ways that you can leave your Sofia assignment with your work saved, by hitting save and close or the submit button, which will submit the assignment. Thank you very much and have a great day.